Ever struggled to make your Canva designs perfectly aligned? Today, I'm going to show you a simple trick that takes your designs from okay to professional by using margins and rulers in Canva. First, let's bring up the rulers. Click on File, then go to Settings and select Show Rulers and Guides. Instantly, you'll see rulers appear along the top and left edges of your canvas. These rulers aren't just for show. They let you create guides for precise placement. Simply click and drag from a ruler onto your canvas and a guideline will appear. You can create both horizontal and vertical guides, helping you line up text, images, or elements with perfect accuracy. But we're not stopping there. To make sure nothing important gets too close to the edge, Canva has standard margin lines. Go back to File Greater Than Settings and choose Show Margins. These dotted lines act as a safe zone for your content, ensuring that your design looks balanced and professional on any device or print. Using rulers and margins is a game changer for anyone serious about design. It keeps your work neat, organized, and visually appealing without guesswork. Once you start using them, you'll wonder how you ever designed without them. So next time you're in Canva, don't just wing it. Set up your rulers and margins and watch your designs elevate instantly.